How to unprivate your TikTok account. First thing first, you have to make sure that your application is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, simply open it. Make sure you are logged into your account that you want to unprivate. Once you are in here, head over to Profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Right now you can see that your account is private. In order to make it to public, click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner and then move into Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, head over to Privacy. At the very top, the option of Private Account will be visible to you. This option is toggled on, which means that your account is private. In order to unprivate, all you want to do is toggle off this button and then tap on Switch at the bottom right corner of the screen. And there you go, now your account is unprivate. Now any of the people that are on TikTok will be able to view your profile, and they will also be able to view your post. They don't have to follow you in order to view your posts and feeds. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can unprivate your TikTok account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.